Hey guys, Cyberdana here. In this week's video we have the April Antipodean Witch Box. But anyway, let's get into this box. It's a very nice sort of soft rose pink, peachy kind of shade. We've got the pamphlet on top, which tells us all about what's in the box, has the ritual and things like that. And on the front it says Echidna Moon, the 8th of April. So we have got a piece of hematoid quartz, planet Earth, element fire, attributes are vitality, healing, protection and grounding. Poppy jasper, planet is Mars, element is fire, the attributes are vitality, healing and grounding. We've got some Centauri, planet Venus, element water, attributes of vitality, healing and protection. Has a very grassy smell. Quassia, planet Venus, element water, attributes are vitality, bindings, love, romance and friendship. Very subtle sort of woody smell. I have a second piece of hematoid quartz. A piece of honey calcite sunstone. The planet is sun, the element is fire, and the attributes are vitality, knowledge and confidence. Red sage root, planet Jupiter, element air, attributes are vitality, health, longevity, wisdom, protection and wishes. That's got a very sort of smoky, ashy smell. We have two pink hand-dipped candles. Ooh, I like this. A necklace with a pentacle and a piece of, I imagine, obsidian. Consecrated bath salts for vitality. Two pieces of felt that are being held together with a sewing needle and some pink wool. A little person shape, which I am guessing is a template. Incense, which have quite a strong floral smell. I can't place exactly what kind of floral, maybe like Banksia or wattle or something like that. It smells very Australian. And our sigil and affirmation for vitality. I honor my vitality, unapologetically taking the time I need to heal, rest, and grow. So we'll go through the pamphlet. So our almanac for April 2020 is the 1st of April was the first quarter, the 8th of April is the full moon, the Echidna moon, the 14th of April is the last quarter, the 23rd of April is the new moon, and the 30th of April is the first quarter again. So in this month's box, we've got a poppet kit. So it has a template for the poppet shape, use as is or make your own design, 2 pieces of felt to form your poppet with, a needle and yarn for darning the poppet. It also has instructions for making your poppet. Then we've also got the protective Echidna incense. This incense has the smells of the bush along with vanilla and myrrh. Use it during rituals of healing and protection or for smoke cleansing. The vitality sigil and affirmation. The consecrated bath salts. It's a salt scrub, but it can also be used for salt cleansing in the bath, in the shower as a scrub, or as a foot or hand soak. The obsidian pentacle pendant. The hand-dipped spell candles. The honey calcite. The hematoid quartz, which I got 2 of. The poppy jasper. The red sage root, which is used as part of Chinese medicine for thousands of years. The herb quassia. And the herb sanctuary. It is spelled different on both of these things. On the packet here it says centauri. In the booklet it says sanctuary. But it says that it is named after the ancient Greek centaur god Chiron, who was the doctor healer of the gods. I'll look it up and I will put the correct one here somewhere. And then in here it has a guide to poppets, so how you can use them. Then the last page is the Echidna Moon Healing Poppet Ritual, where you can use the poppet that you have made. So it says, this month we practice the ancient art of poppet magic, making a protection poppet to enhance our vitality. And then on the back we have some vitality deities, which I will list in a pinned comment, and also a lemon myrtle roasting based recipe. Alrighty, so that is everything that I got in the April Antipodean Witch box. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!